Pull it open.
For Katie.
Open it.
That's for Katie. Look at Katie.
Watch out with Jasmine. Viviana. Say, I'm sorry, Jasmine.
Sorry, Jasmine.
It's from Kiki.
Look.
Kiki and Yo-Yo.
No, you heard me. Look.
Hey, Jasmine. Look at what you guys are getting.
This is for Katie. Look, Snow White.
What happened?
Snow White, look.
Wow. Jasmine, stop eating and look at the present. Jasmine.
And look.
Get, that's Jasmine's. Wow.
It's a star and Disneyland.
Disneyland?
Look, it's my birthday.
Wow. You like it? It's from Kiki and Yo-Yo.
Wow.
Say thank you, Kiki and Yo-Yo. Besito. Don't worry, those are just bubbles. What's all the other stuff you guys just threw out of there? Let me see. Wow. What is that for?
Look at the mouth. Look at what I just Kitty. That is number 2.
Wow.
Kid number. It's for Dad.
It's for Daddy?
Yeah, look, he's number 2.
Let me see. Let me see the envelope. No, it just says from Courtney and Enrique. Open it. Open it. Let me see the front. Let me see the front. Yeah, that's the Sanchez family. Open it.
There's Katie.
Katie, you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Wow, what is that? What does it say, Vivi?
I give you toys. I am family. Then I give you okay. Sorry.
Wow. And there's presents for you and for Jasmine?
Yeah.
You like your present?
Yeah.
Let me see it.
No one.
Very nice. Say thank you again.
Thank you.
Look at the camera.
Thank you.
Dile, I love you, Kiki.
Let me give you a
Besito. Oh, wait. Do it again. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Yeah, hold on. Katie. Katie. Besito. Ahora, say bye-bye, Katie.
Look at Silla.
Wow, baby.